Hii gari imekuja na kelele ya bearing. We're just trying to find out ni which tire inapiga hiyo kelele and then we do a repair.
Sasa ndo tu IC sasa.
Ongea kwanza. Sinakwambia mambo ni mdogo mdogo.
So this is the bearing in iko na shida because it has a vibration when you rotate it.
Nunua 21 unaona hizi zingine
then itakuwa sawa. So this is the bearing. We're going to remove this and replace it with a brand new bearing. We are also going to change the drive shaft boot so that we don't damage our CV. You can see the tip imekulika. And we're done with this axio. We changed the hub bearing, changed the plugs, and we've changed the drive shaft boot rubbers. They were worn out. So now we are going for a torque test and then we feel how it's going to behave. Now the car is very smooth in a ride fiti. Jacking imeisha. Tuko Thika super highway na tuko na client hapa anaisikiza pia. Gari iko chonjo kabisa. It was having a very funny noise, a humming sound but hiyo sasa pia imeisha. When the client is happy, we are happy.
Fundi ni mjamo.
Hamzi.
Hapo sawa.